Bring quinoa and chicken broth to a boil. Cover and simmer until the broth has been absorbed and the quinoa is tender. Remove the quinoa from the heat and let it sit for a few minutes. Make a seasoning blend by combining ancho chili powder, cumin, garlic, salt, and pepper. Set aside. Brush the chicken all over with olive oil, then thoroughly season with the spice mixture. This healthy bounty of ingredients are delectably spiced with Mexican flair. We skip the rice and tortillas and serve the ingredients as a burrito bowl. Grill chicken for about 4 minutes per side or until cooked through. Set the chicken aside and keep warm. You can't beat a fresh salsa featuring diced tomatoes, avocados, onion, jalapeno, garlic, lime juice, olive oil, and cilantro. We've boosted the eye and flavor appeal of this dish with a homemade fresh avocado salsa. Toss well so the flavors melt. This is the perfect combination of flavors that will complement the chicken, quinoa, and black beans. To assemble the burrito bowls, evenly divide the warm quinoa into bowls. When ready to serve, cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Top the quinoa with grilled chicken, corn, black beans, Mexican cheese, avocado salsa, and sour cream. No need to fork out lots of cash or go food truck hunting when you can easily make an amazing Mexican-inspired meal right in your very own kitchen.